Hello everybody, welcome to LifestyleInfinite. Today we are going to build a headphone amplifier. It's a NE553 based headphone amplifier. For quite some time now, I have been trying to get my hands on a decent headphone amplifier, but it's hard to find one and it's quite expensive too. So I've decided to build myself my very own headphone amplifier. For the parts, I've got a bundle from Amazon. It's a REES52 headphone amplifier set. I like DIY projects, so I decided to give it a shot. Let's get it started. The build is now complete. It came with its own acrylic case and it looks good. I had a 12 volt 2 amp DC power supply lying around, so I've decided to use that. And the manual was not clear about what type of power supply. It was only written that it requires 12 volts of power. The headphone amplifier is working fine. It has quite the punch and I am happy with it. The sound output is quite great. The distortion level is quite low. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe. More DIY projects are coming soon. Hope you liked it. See you around.